Nicholas. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Yeah? Are you ready to meet Jacob? Remember baby brother? Brother. Baby. Remember baby brother? You want to meet baby brother? Okay, let's go meet baby brother. Go.
Hey, buddy. Oo. Ganda pa yung kanyang ina. Hindi pa pagsesilosa ng kapal.
No. Yeah, he's right there. Yeah, let's go, Nicholas. Oopsie. Look. Look who's there.
Is that baby brother?
Yes.
Nicholas, come here. Look, that's baby.
Who's that baby?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's your brother.
Hi, Jacob.
Say hi, Jacob.
Baby.
Baby. Yeah.
You want to say hi? You're gentle. It's okay. You can touch him. Gentle. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. He liked that.
Yeah.
Baby.
Baby. Give him a kiss.
Can you give him a
Want to give him a
kiss?
kiss?
Give
Give
him a kiss.
Jacob a kiss. Give Jacob a kiss. Jacob. Kiss Jacob.
Kiss Jacob. Oh, nice.
That's
Baby.
baby. Say hi, baby Jacob.
Nicholas. Say hi, baby. Yeah. Baby.
Jacob. Want to see baby Jacob?
Say hi, Nicholas. Hi, Jacob. Say hi. Yeah.